In 2015, when we began working with Ayla on this project, and we all thought it would be about 1 year, it ended up being more than 3 years before we got it into the marketplace, which gets to my point about patience and perseverance, because we were building something no one had ever built before. When we talked to the Ayla team, they said a couple things that really resonated with us. Number one is don't try to do everything yourself. There are some things that companies are good at. Ayla represented themselves as being very good at cloud connectivity, about some software development, and mostly about the security of the cloud connectivity, and those meant a lot to us. What I really respect and appreciate most about Ayla are a couple of different things. One is the teamwork, and the people have been consistently on our relationship. There haven't been a whole bunch of changes. In fact, there have been an awful lot of people added to the Ayla team because we encountered some things that neither one of us expected to encounter. The second is the reliability of the connectivity. We went through beta testing and we got what we think are most of the bugs out, and we're thankful that since the November 1st launch of Array 2018, we haven't had any downtime, we haven't had any lost connectivity, and that's really critical for the consumer experience. And the third is that as we're looking to be compatible with the other IoT providers, and whether it's a cloud connectivity or whether voice-activated appliance connectivity and compatibility, or the APIs that are required for us to make Array available for other potential IoT partners and providers, those things are always going to be challenging, and it's really important for Hampton, and Ayla has played a great role here, that number one, the Ayla team has the patience to go through it, and number two, we're not charged for every single one of those steps. And we really appreciate the fact that Ayla really didn't start the clock on our functionality on these projects until they worked. And that to us meant an awful lot.